Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to get a glowing whitening face mask at how to make this face mask at home. And also this face mask remove your blackheads, pimples, spots, dark spots and other skin problems. So let's start. How do I make it? At first I take honey. Then I take oatmeal. It's called oats. And my third ingredient is banana. So this is my ingredients to make a face mask at home that recover your blackheads, pimples, spots and also get a whitening and glowing skin. So I will show you how to make this of using these ingredients. At first I take at side. Now I take at first oatmeal. Just because I use on my hand, so I take little quantity to use this. But if you want to use your full body, then take same quantity or much more quantity. So I take 1 tablespoon of oats. Then I take honey, 1 tablespoon. And now I take banana. I take half piece of banana and slice to little just because I mix it very well. Now mash all the banana pieces. For dry skin, banana and honey is much good for your skin because these two ingredients helps to make your skin moisturizes and also get a smooth soft skin. If you want to take another spoons of oats, that's no problem. It's also an alternative takes. So I take 1 tablespoon of oats. This 1 tablespoon of oats, that's not necessary for your skin or any other. It's also an alternative to use this. Now it's ready to apply your skin or my skin. Little bit plumps in there, that's no problem. When you apply this face mask, at first you clean your face, cold water or normal tap water. So I wash my hands. Now I use my hands to apply this. When you apply this face mask, you just little bit scrub your skin. And not to worry that plumps, you just mash it and again scrub your skin. This face mask helps to get a glowing skin and oats helps to remove all the dead cell and dark spots and also remove blackheads, pimple spots because it helps to use in the face scrub. And honey and banana also helps to get a soft and shining faces. Little bit massage your skin and then leave it 15 minutes for dry your skin. And after 15 minutes later, you wash your skin and you can see your skin results. 3 times or 2 times you can use this face mask in a week, but if you want to better result, then of course use and 3 times in a week. So friends, This is my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel.